Come, baby. Baby, come. Sunny, come. Come out. Baby. Sunny, come out. Baby, come. Come here. I'll give you melon seeds. Come here. Look, your favorite. Your favorite. Baby, your favorite. What happened? You're scared of melon. Okay. They love melon seeds. Baby, come. I think I should wash it first. I think I should change the tissue. I will put in the plate then. Still wet. Baby, come now. Baby, come here. Come here. Baby, come here. Come. Come. Look, baby. Look, baby. Sunny, come. What happened, Sunny? Come. Come here. Baby, you took the seed. Baby, took the seed. Okay, I'm coming. Wait. Here. Sunny, do you want to try? Yeah. Here. Try some. Baby, Sunny, have some. I know Sunny likes it. He's shy. Yummy, yummy. Baby, yummy, yummy. I love it. I want to eat some. I want to eat some. Yummy, yummy. I love melon seeds.